So let us see the first problem that was asked in GATE in 2009 for 1 mark. So they are asking you the carboxylic acid with lowest pKa value. I just gave you the relationship. Low pKa means more acidic. So here we are going to try to find which is the most acidic of them all. So let us see our options. Here you have one option saying C6H5 CO2H. Now C6H5 is nothing but we all know the benzene ring, and CO2OH is nothing but COOH. So the first thing they are talking about is benzoic acid. So benzene with a carboxylic group is called as benzoic acid. Then here we have CH3 COOH. This is called as acetic acid. Now here the third example says C6H4. So C6H4 again is a benzene ring. Why is it H4? Because there are two substituents, as you can see. One at this end, which is a COOH group, correct? And the other one is PCH3O, which is nothing but OCH3, correct? Now you may see what is this P. So for those who don't know, if you have your carboxylic group over here, the groups that are adjacent are the O groups, also called as ortho. Those at these positions are M, called meta, and this is para. So if you start labeling this 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So positions 2 and 6 are called as ortho positions. Position 3 and 5 meta, and position 4 is para. Okay, so we wrote down the third option and fourth option. Again, this is a benzene ring. So write that down. This is COOH. This is CH3. Correct? Very good. So this is on the para position. Now, let us see what we can solve about this. Okay. So here, one thing that you can see is you have 3 rings and 1 straight chain. Now, always remember the aromatic carboxylic acids are going to be more acidic than your aliphatic carboxylic acids. For a very simple reason that, see, whenever aliphatic like CH3, C double bond OH, when it loses its H plus, it forms a carboxylate ion, correct? Now, this carboxylate ion has only 2 resonance structures. What is resonance? This bond will shift over here. So this comes to be CH3, CO minus double bond O. This resonance. Now, whenever an aromatic group, say with benzene with COOH, when this loses an H plus, what you get is this group benzene ring, C double bond O minus. Okay, and there is a whole lot of resonance that is going on over here. So therefore, the anion formed after it loses H plus is resonance stabilized, and therefore always the aliphatic will be less acidic than the aromatic. So you can easily rule out option number 2. You can straight away strike out option B, because we just discussed that aliphatic carboxylic acids are less acidic as compared to aromatic. Now you have option C and D, which both have electron donating groups, that is our Danshur group. So they are the plus I groups, and therefore these will be least acidic. So the only viable option left is option A. Now I know there are no electron withdrawing groups, but at least there are no donating groups. So therefore this one will be the most acidic. Hopefully you have understood this. Now you all can pause the video and try to solve the next one on your own. Once you're done, unpause it and you can revisit the questions. Now, they are asking you to arrange them in a suitable order for acidity. So this side here would be the most acidic and the other one would be the least acidic. So let us try to figure out now which one will be our answer, right? So here you have one benzoic acid we just discussed. Benzene ring with only COOH is benzoic acid. So this is the one which has no substituents. Correct? Look at the third option. You have NO2, which is what? Yes, the खींचने वाले group. So minus I effect. This means that this one is definitely going to have the most acidic nature. And then you have these two, that is OCH3 and M. First, try to see that with these two, can you figure out? So the most acidic is supposed to be third option. So straight away, you can strike off B and C options. Now, after that, you have option A and D. Now, in option A, you have 3 followed by 2. Now, what we know is that these two groups are electron donating, and therefore they will have an acidity which is less as compared to 4. Correct? So then again, you can strike this off, and finally you're left with option D, where CH3 is more acidic as compared to benzoic acid, and it is more acidic as compared to your CH3COH, and least one is OCH3COH. Okay, so hopefully this was easy. And again, we'll go on to our last question for this video, which is this one. So look at the read the question carefully. Which of the following is most acidic? Okay, so they have first option butanoic acid. Now, as you all know, oic stands for the carboxylic acid, and you have but, means 4 carbons. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? And one of the carbon is having the carboxylic group. So this is your butanoic acid. Carbon has a valency of 4. So fill in 4. Fill in these hydrogens. Then you have 3-chlorobutanoic acid. Always first number will go to the functional group, that is COH. Now, if it is 3, that means in the second example, you will have chlorine over here. Then third one says 2-chloro. So in this case, the chlorine is going to be over here. Correct? What about the third case? Third case says it is 4. That means on this carbon. So here you will have a chlorine. Now they are asking you amongst all these 4 options, which one is most acidic? Now we are all aware that Cl is an electron withdrawing group. So definitely the one that contains electron withdrawing group will be most acidic. So option A is not my answer. Now option B, C and D all have chlorine in it. But as you notice, the positions are different. Now it is a matter of common sense that if this Cl, which is the closest, see the Cl is closest to the carboxylic group. So when it pulls electrons, this carbon is going to immediately pull from the next electron. Is that correct? Right? So it is going to immediately pull from this, and therefore there will be an immediate release. But if you look at this one right here, this chlorine will pull electron from this carbon from this, then this. So it's going to form a long chain, and it will take time. Definitely the effect will not be that pronounced. So remember, closer the electronegative group to the carboxylic acid, more acidic will it be. So therefore in that case, option C becomes your correct answer. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and you got to learn something new. If you want to continue watching my videos, do subscribe to my channel. Leave me some comments down below for which topics you need me to cover. And I'll be back with another video. So bye.